Hi third graders, this is Mrs. Roteball. Today we are going to look at lesson 11.5 and we are still measuring area. Remember that area is the space in between a shape. So if we look at this page right here, that we're going to unlock the problem. It says Jamie is measuring the area of rectangles with 1-inch square tiles. So they show you up here, here's a 1-inch square tile. If we look at rectangle A, it says place 4 tiles on rectangle A. So if we put these 4 tiles, you can see they're right here, okay? It says, are there any gaps? There are, because you can see there's spaces right here. So we're going to write yes. Are there any overlaps? There is nothing overlapping, so we're going to write no. Then it says, Jamie says that the area is 4 square inches. Is Jamie's measurement correct? So she's saying this whole area right here inside this rectangle is 4 square inches. Okay, that is not correct. Her measurement is not correct. Okay, when we're measuring, there should not be any gaps in between the tiles. They should all be touching. Let's go on to rectangle B here. So it says place 8 rectangles on here. So you can see there are 8 rectangles. However, let's look at this. Are there any gaps? So there are not any gaps. There's no spaces in between. However, when it says are there any overlaps, there are. So this and this would overlap each other if you were placing these squares on here. So there are overlaps. So we're going to put yes. And then it says, Jamie says the area for the rectangle B is 8 square inches. Is Jamie's measurement correct? The answer is no. When you are measuring area, you should not have anything overlapping. So if we had 8 of these on here, they would overlap right here and then right here, okay? So then we have rectangle C. It says place 6 tiles on rectangle C. So you can see we have 6 tiles. Are there any gaps? No. Are there any overlaps? The answer is no. Jamie says that the area is 6 square inches. Is Jamie's measurement correct? Yes. So the area of rectangle C, actually of all the rectangles, would be 6 square inches. Remember that when we're measuring area, we're measuring the inside of a shape. And remember, it's measured in square units. So if it's inches, it would be square inches. If it's feet, it would be square feet. But remember, area is measured in square units. So I'm going to jump to the try this. Okay. This one is using square centimeters. And all you have to do is count all the blocks to find the area here. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the area of that figure would be 17 square units. So in this case we were measuring in centimeters, so it would be 17 square centimeters. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing on homework. I'm going to flip the camera back around here. And you are just counting your squares. So for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And it tells you right here we're measuring in square centimeters. So the area for figure 1 is 14 square centimeters. Okay, so you're going to just do that for the rest of them. And then you can go ahead and answer number 6. Explain how to find the area of a figure using square tiles. So what did you do? How did you figure out the area using the square tiles? Okay, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.